Hi, I'm Bob from the Shed Astro, and I have this Explore Scientific ED127 FCD100, and I want to remove the focuser that came with it so that I can put a moonlight focuser on it. I've understood that this is a difficult process, and you need a heat gun and some strap wrenches. I'm going to try to document this to help anybody that might try to do this in the future. Got it up to 33. Almost there. Is that max on the fan? Mm-hmm. Really? I got it. Yeah, that was not bad at all. Okay, give me that welding glove. That was easy, actually.
Now it's just going to take an hour to cool down.
Hi, we got it, we were using this general infrared thermometer, and we got it to about 95 degrees Celsius with the heat gun. And when we did that, we pulled the heat gun away. I used two of these strap wrenches, aluminum strap wrenches, and I'll put the links to exactly what they are on the YouTube channel or YouTube video. And it was really easy to loosen it after that. My son noticed when we got toward the end that he could see some glue moving in the joint between the focuser and the telescope tube, and that gave me the indication it was probably a good time to try to loosen it, and it was really easy actually. So I hope this helps you. It worked pretty good. It worked really well. It didn't take that much time. Just get it heated up decent, and it came right off. Thanks. Bye.